Fernando Poe Jr., known as The King. His long and successful career as an action star earned him the nickname The King, King of the Philippine movies. He also wrote, directed, and produced several of the films. Poe entered the film industry as a stuntman following the death of his father, actor Fernando Poe Sr., and made his film debut in 1955 with Anak ni Palares. His breakout came in the 1956 film LOS Gang and went to star in action films that portrayed him as the champion and defender of the poor and oppressed. His notable films, Poe accolades include 5 FAMAS awards for Best Actor, a joint record that inducted him into the FAMAS Hall of Fame in 1988. He also won Best Director for his films Ang Padrino, Ang Kahit Butas ng Karayom, Papasukin Ko, 1995, and Poe ran for President of the Philippines in the 2004 election. He lost to the Gloria Macapagal Arroyo by just over 1 million votes.